What comments to who?
Jews running the world and the NHS is committing genocide.
Am I wrong? Have I lied?
That's not for me to say, sir.
Well, it is. If you're saying I've done something wrong,
we're not saying you've done something wrong.
Then you're not. Then you've no reason to be here, have you?
We do have.
I've not stated anything that's factually accurate. I've not stated anything that's a lie.
I'm not going to get.
Are you telling me that companies in Israel are not supplying drugs that give people cancer? That's a fact.
That's a fact. I'm not.
Eli Lilly have admitted to giving cancer, and they're still selling drugs, anti-fat drugs. Johnson & Johnson admitted to giving cancer to people for 150 years. They're based in Israel. They're still being sold in the shops. Tell me that's wrong?
Again, that's not my role in life, sir. My role in life is just to come and see that is there anything that we can do to help you or anything like that.
Like what? Like people have been exterminated, replaced with 3 million Indians per year. Or is that also factually accurate?
Again, that's not for me to argue.
It's a fact. 3 million Indians per year are coming here and they're reproducing before their wives even had their first period. That's a fact, isn't it? Because of their culture, they're allowed to have sex under 16. And it's 3 million per year coming here every single year.
Again, that's not for me to argue with you, sir. Is there anything?
So what is your actual point in being here other than to harass me and to let me know that I'm on your radar? What is the point in you being here?
Again, is there any help you think you need or we can help you with? That's why we're here.
Well, I'm stuck in this house with a mutilated leg and no chance of getting any medical treatment other than getting more damage. Which was broadcast live on YouTube before the channel was shut down. With the physio grinding the broken bones together, the ambulance driver actually hitting my leg whilst I was in the ambulance, and I think it was 6 or 7 surgeons laughing about how many babies they've murdered in the Middle East with the Southern Pager attack. That was all broadcast live.
What, to you?
I was in hospital with my bike camera still broadcasting.
Right, okay.
Before that channel got shut down.
I take it you wouldn't want to take up any offer we have then, sir?
Well, what offer are you going to give me? All you've done is say vague things and try to intimidate. So what are you actually going to do?
We're not trying to.
Where is this actually from? Is this from Facebook? Is this from where?
We're not at liberty to say at the moment because.
Right, so if you're not going to give me any information, why would I give you any information?
Well, it's very difficult if I'm stood in the door and you're sat over there.
No, it's difficult for you. It's not difficult for me. Because I've got crippling injuries. I've also got hearing damage. I've also got psychological damage. So for me to actually have you in here, it's more intimidating and therefore more of a detriment to my well-being. You being there gives me some sense of control. Not a lot of control.
It doesn't matter to me where I'm stood, sir. It's not.
So why you keep saying you want to come in?
Because it's easier to converse.
Not for me, it's not. It's for you, not for me.
Well, if we're going to have a conversation.
So what is it you want to know? What is it you want to say?
We can offer a range of services.
Such as?
A mentor to talk through some of the issues you might have or some of the thought processes you might have.
Is that going to stop shops selling products where the companies are admitted to committing genocide against British people? Is that going to do anything to stop that? Is that going to do anything to stop? Is that going to do anything to stop any of that from happening?
It's not for me to make any promises. I can't make any promises.
Right.
These things may well be out of my control, but
so there's nothing you can do to help other than offer intimidation.
We're not intimidating you. How would you say we're intimidating you?
Well, you're on a doorstep.
But we're not coming in, have we? If we were intimidating you, I'd be stood next to you. Intimidating.
No, the fear. I'm not the one to argue about it. You're arguing is intimidation. Your arguing is abuse. No, you're the one who's still abusing me. If you're going to do anything financially to help me and get out of my situation, that would be of interest. Otherwise, all you're going to do is give me more grief and more abuse, which I don't want. I'm stuck in the house with no way to go anywhere. I was due to be out of this country last year, and if I had been smashed off the road, I would have been. I'd have been gone.
I think I'll put you down as a no, sir.
Yeah, good idea.
All right, thanks very
much. Job done. You've made your point that I'm on the radar. My job is being completed.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.